the world's largest video sharing platform, has revolutionized the way we consume content and has given rise to countless content creators who have turned their passions into profitable careers. Traditionally, many YouTubers have built their channels by putting themselves front and center, showcasing their personalities, lives, and talents. However, a new trend is emerging in the world of YouTube, one that allows creators to remain anonymous while still raking in substantial incomes. In this video, we'll delve into the fascinating world of anonymous content creators on YouTube who have managed to make $20,000 a month without ever revealing their faces. The appeal of anonymity. The decision to remain anonymous on YouTube is not one made lightly. Content creators often choose anonymity for various reasons. Privacy. The internet can be a wild and unpredictable place, and not everyone is comfortable with the level of exposure that comes with showing their face and personal life on a public platform. Anonymity allows creators to maintain a semblance of privacy. Focus on content. Some creators prefer to let their content speak for itself, rather than relying on their appearance or personality. By staying anonymous, they can keep the focus squarely on their ideas, skills, or creations. Universal appeal. Anonymity can make content more relatable to a wider audience. Without a specific identity tied to the content, viewers from diverse backgrounds and cultures can connect with it on a deeper level. The success stories. Several anonymous YouTube channels have managed to achieve remarkable success, both in terms of subscribers and income. Here are a few examples. The Majority Report, a political commentary channel hosted by Sam Seder. The Majority Report has over 1.2 million subscribers and generates a significant monthly income. Seder's decision to remain off camera has allowed him to focus on his analyses and discussions. The Art Assignment. This channel, hosted by Sarah Urist Green, explores various aspects of art and creativity. Although Sarah occasionally appears on camera, the channel predominantly focuses on the art itself, making it accessible to a broad audience. Chilled Cow. Known for its lo-fi hip-hop music streams, Chilled Cow has become a sensation with over 7 million subscribers. The channel's mascot, a girl studying with a cat, is its only visual representation, and it remains faceless. Corpse Husband. This horror narration and gaming channel boasts over 7 million subscribers and features a mysterious persona who narrates spine-tingling stories. Corpse Husband's anonymity has only added to the intrigue and allure of the channel. How do they monetize? Anonymous YouTubers employ various strategies to monetize their content without revealing their identities. Ad revenue. Just like any other YouTuber, anonymous creators earn money through ad revenue based on the number of views and clicks on ads displayed on their videos. Merchandise. Many anonymous channels create merchandise with their logo or brand, allowing fans to support them financially through purchases. Patreon. Some content creators utilize platforms like Patreon to offer exclusive content and perks to subscribers who are willing to pay a monthly fee. Sponsorships. While sponsorships may be less common for anonymous creators, they can still partner with companies that value their content and reach. Affiliate marketing. Promoting products or services through affiliate links in video descriptions can be a lucrative source of income.